So we're going to want to create something like this where we can list the customers up here. Now it didn't work here, so we'll have to discover why. And then here it seems to be working better. So we have the customer's name and their email here. And then we want to add a delete button here so that we can delete things. And this is why we're using something like the array list. And then if we have time, we're going to have kind of just improve our message box a little bit. So it might look like this. Please verify deletion. You actually want to delete this person. So you will select a customer, you'll click delete, and then it will show you this and it will delete it after this message box comes up. Okay, and then for homework, you want to allow users to add new customers using an add button, and the requirements are adding a new customer should add a new customer structure to the array list. So just we want to add a new customer to the array list, but it's a customer is a structure, and then add a string for the customer to the list box. And in terms of the GUI, your new add functionality should be implemented by a new button called btn add over here. And then error control. Your program should refuse add requests unless email, age, first and last names are provided by the user, and it will refuse it. It'll give a message box if it's not okay. So in other words, all the data should be provided. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and then this one will be created as a property. Define and use a custom isDuplicate function to check. So you want to make sure that there are no duplicates, and you're supposed to create your own function called isDuplicate to do this checking, and then use that function when this add button is run to make sure that there's no duplicate. So it's going to have to search through the current array list and make sure that that the new person is not in that array list. And finally, customer display. So if you click up here on the person, it should show in here all of the data about that customer, all of the different attributes. So if I click on here, the first name should be Nancy Drew 25. If I click on this one, this would be Fred and Smith and so on.